Hi, my name is Shamila. I'm co-CEO of Back to Our Roots, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Seamoss gel and the Seamoss infused. Okay, to start off, we're going to do our Seamoss gel first. And I'm going to tell you what you need. Your blender, your spring water, and your mason jars. We're going to take some of this Seamoss and put it here. We don't want to fool the blender too much because it might be too thick. We're going to add some water. You can also use the water that your Seamoss is in, if you please. And there you go, you blend. I would advise to put a little bit of water in your blender with the Seamoss, so that way it's not too thick, and you add water gradually if you can see the whatever thickness that you choose. And you blend. So let's check out the thickness of our Seamoss. As you can see right now, it looks like applesauce, but I like it a little smoother, so I'm going to give it another blend. If you like it like that, that's up to you. Hey, let's check out our Seamoss. And let's see how creamy and smooth it looks. So now all you do, and if that's how you like it, after 2 rounds, and you have nice creamy Seamoss, and all you do, you put it in here. After that, you can blend more full of your jar and then put it in the fridge, and you have your Seamoss gel. Okay, now for the Seamoss infused. Make sure you have your Seamoss gel that we just blended, our fruits, strawberries, blueberries, mint berries. Like I said, you can use fresh fruits, that's up to you. So now let's go. I have some Seamoss gel in here already, as you can see. And now I'm going to add my frozen fruit. Excuse all the noise that you're going to be hearing and the talking. I have family at home. Okay. All our Seamoss being mixed. So I'm still going to show you. As you can see, it's nice and creamy. And a little trick, if you're making this for kids, you can add a little bit of honey, agave in there to give a little sweeter taste for them. And And here you got the Seamoss infused strawberry. So there you have it. I taught you how to do Seamoss gel and Seamoss infused. So now, enjoy your Seamoss gel and your Seamoss infused. And also remember, the best wealth is health. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.